Today I want to just share my journey of a startup, how it is hard to take investment from Indian government, from private investor, from government investor, from incubation centers, but nobody is even helping a startup which is on very low level. It's too hard to find investor in India. An investor, if you find investor, then investor is not believing in you, that you are not good enough for the startup, for your own startup. Like I'm going to share with you a story of mine. When I was in Startup Mahakumbh recently in April, at Bharat Mandapam, I saw a organizer. I don't know his exact name, but his name is Sanjay, and he's a government and genuine guy. So I saw him, and after the all organization shut down, then I went to him and I was trying to talk to him. Then I went to him and I talked him, and I just wanted to pitch my idea. And when I said him, I said I had one of the big idea, and I just want to take investment from government. At that time he denied, and at Startup Mahakumbh I saw lots of investors, and I saw lots of investors. I talked to them, I tried to pitch my idea in front of them, but they don't have that much time there, so I didn't try to pitch my idea in front of them at that day. But after the event, I met one of the biggest organizer of the Startup Mahakumbh of India. If you don't know, I would like to tell you, is the India is the third biggest startup producer, but 90% startup just failed in a single year, and only 0.5% startups has potential to do innovation, to make something big. Only 0.5% startup. So you can analyze how founders are making things in India. Like Piyush Goyal, as he also said at the Startup Mahakumbh, like our startups are not doing innovation, they are just making food companies and making our youth unemployed. That much potential it is. So my story is, I was just in Startup Mahakumbh and I met him. I tried to pitch my idea, but he doesn't have that much time to listen my idea. So I take his card and he said that come to my office on Monday. But his office in Mumbai, I don't have that much money to go Mumbai and leave for 1 week or even train ticket like that. So I applied for more than 10 firms, 10 investment firms. One is international investment firm like TL Fellowship, another, and also like WTF Fund, or two or three or more. I applied. I also put this on my story. You also saw this, but nobody has given me investment. But I will try my best. I will make this startup. My idea is brilliant. I know I have potential. Lots of people are making fun of me. Why it doesn't affect me. Lots of my friends are even making fun of me, but it will not affect me. I will definitely make my startup. Not in tech, but in other industry, definitely. Not now, but after 5 years, after 6 years, definitely. I will do my own startup, and at that time, I will definitely take investment from the one of the biggest firms of India. Investment firms, I mean. Uh, I I had not never applied for private investment till now. I had never reached out to the angel investor till now, but I will try. I had also now chance, like I will reach out to the angel investor on LinkedIn. Today I will find out lots of angel investor, and I will definitely try to message them and try to pitch my idea at any cost and make investment. I just need only up to 20 lakh rupees. If they will convince on my idea to give 20 lakh rupees, I will definitely make bullshit. I have that much potential, I like. Thank you so much.